The best electric high-pressure washer review in 2023. The Sun Joe SPX3000 14.5 amp electric high-pressure washer, power and performance in one. Maintaining the cleanliness and aesthetic appeal of your outdoor spaces has never been easier, thanks to the Sun Joe SPX3000 14.5 amp electric high-pressure washer. This remarkable tool combines power, convenience, and efficiency to provide an exceptional cleaning experience for various surfaces. With a robust 14.5 amp motor, the Sun Joe SPX3000 delivers an impressive water pressure that can reach up to 20-30 psi. This high pressure, combined with a water flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute, enables the washer to tackle even the toughest dirt, grime, and stains on driveways, decks, cars, and more. The adjustable pressure settings allow you to tailor the cleaning intensity to different surfaces, ensuring effective results without causing damage. One of the standout features of the SPX3000 is its dual detergent tanks. These two 0.9-liter onboard tanks enable you to switch between different detergents on the fly, making it convenient to transition from cleaning the patio to washing your vehicle without any hassle. The Total Stop System, TSS, technology enhances both safety and energy efficiency by automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, prolonging the lifespan of the motor. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the Sun Joe SPX3000 incorporates a range of practical features. The 34-inch extension wand extends your reach, while the 20-foot high-pressure hose provides ample maneuverability around the cleaning area. The 35-foot power cord ensures that you won't be restricted by outlets, allowing you to cover larger areas without interruption. The SPX3000 doesn't just excel in performance. It also boasts a sleek and compact design that facilitates easy storage. Its durable build and high-quality materials ensure longevity and reliability, making it a wise investment for all your cleaning needs. Pros and cons of the Sun Joe SPX3000 14.5 amp electric high-pressure washer. Pros: 1. Powerful cleaning performance. The Sun Joe SPX3000 boasts a robust 14.5 amp motor that delivers an impressive maximum pressure of 20-30 psi, coupled with a flow rate of 1.76 GPM. This power allows you to effectively tackle tough dirt, grime, and stains on a variety of surfaces, from driveways to decks and vehicles. 2. Dual detergent tanks. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is its dual detergent tanks. These onboard tanks allow you to switch between different detergents seamlessly, making it convenient to transition from cleaning one surface to another without the need for frequent refills. 3. Total Stop System, TSS, technology. The TSS technology automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. This not only enhances safety but also conserves energy and prolongs the motor's lifespan, ensuring the longevity of the pressure washer. 4. User-friendly design. The SPX3000 is designed with user convenience in mind. It features a 34-inch extension wand and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, providing excellent reach and maneuverability. The 35-foot power cord ensures you can cover larger areas without being restricted by the proximity of outlets. Cons: 1. Plastic components. Some users have reported that certain parts of the pressure washer, such as the hose connector and nozzle tips, are made of plastic and may feel less durable compared to metal components. Overall, the Sun Joe SPX3000 14.5 amp electric high-pressure washer impresses with its powerful cleaning capabilities, user-friendly design, and dual detergent tanks. However, potential buyers should be aware of the plastic components used in construction and the assembly required before use. Despite a few drawbacks, the SPX3000 remains a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient solution for their outdoor cleaning needs.